And your professional membership?
I'm Kaltum Abdullahi. My number is 29827.
Are you in good standing with ISPAC?
This year, no.
What is your role?
Under review.
What is your role in the county assembly?
I prepare financial statements and the books.
And so you are preparing financial statements, and yet you're not in good standing with the professional body.
The payment has been processed already.
What payment?
For the membership.
Why aren't you in good standing? Were you struck off because of professional malpractice?
No.
So you prepared these financial statements. Tell us why you classified 10% of your expenditure as other payments, 54 million.
We prepared the financial statement as a team.
You certified them as the ISPAC member. I can see it here. All the information is here. Can you tell me what this 54 million relates to?
Maybe Clark can explain that.
Clark?
I seek your indulgence, Mr. Chairman. Which page is that?
Your statement of receipts and payments for the year ended 30th June 2022. Clark, you didn't come with your financial statements. What did you come to discuss? If you didn't come with your financial statements?
Look at page 3 of these documents.
Do you have a copy of your financial statements, Clark?
Yes.
For the year ended 30th June 2022. Go to the statement of receipts and payments, which you have co-signed with Abdullahi Kalthum Nuna.
Chairman, we did not come with that. Oh, yes.
Okay. Because both signatories are here. They're in the room.
Through you, Chair. Clerk, the point Chair is making, and you are not an exception. We have been receiving this. You do your entries where you take a payment and you label it there as other payments. So we are saying, break it down for us. What are those other payments? Why do you use that budget for? What was it? In other words, itemize what you are trying to say.
And go to note 6. Note 6 is where you're supposed to provide the details. You have just said other expenses. And you see there's a footnote there saying, provide detailed explanations for other payments. Give us the detailed explanation why 10% of your expenditure is just described as other payments.
And Chair, through you,
Senator Mtata.
First of all, it's illegal to do that. Because what it is trying to ask them to do is to comply with the law, because you are allowed to itemize your budget. You cannot have other expenses in your budget at all. There's no provision for that. So the audit agenda is trying to get to the foot and know, did you really do that? Because other expenses has become a pseudonym for theft. We have stolen it, so we are not accounting. We just call it other expenses. So this question is very serious because it touches on the question of the rule of law. The law requires you to say, I bought 10 pens. I bought an envelope. You cannot say you bought others. So that's why the question is very, very critical, because here we are looking at the evidence of theft of public funds. And we want you to say that you want you to prove that you did not steal this money. Because according to the law, you stole the money. So here I want you to tell us that you did not steal it. That's the question that the chair is putting to you.
Do we have an answer, or we ask ESCC to get to the bottom of this?
No, Mr. Chairman.
Why are you terrified when we talk about ESCC?
Not.
Okay, Clark, can you try to explain?
The breakdown of it is, I'm made to understand that part of that vote was used to pay pending bills and what do you call it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Chair.
Senator
Clerk.
Onyonka.
Okay, you said the money was used for paying pending bills. What are they?
Yeah. So, yeah.
Which ones?
We'll provide schedules of the same. It is annexed, Mr. Chairman.
Where is it?
It is annexed on page 23 of the document. Annex 3. 46.
So, what is the relationship between that annex and other payments? The sum there is 46. The sum here is 54. Those are not the same things. And what you have there are account payables. Those are pending bills. 54 million is actual payment. It's not a provision.
Okay. We can provide documents to support this, Mr. Chairman.
Clerk, next time you come to the Senate, familiarize yourself with their financial statement, because that is what we are discussing. We are discussing the Auditor General's report on your financial statements. And I don't think that will be kind to provide time 3 years old. Now, Auditor, because we'll probably be writing this report at the end of this month, we can give 7 days max for a breakdown of that 54 million and the 60 million. And please do not manufacture records, because we'll be scrutinizing it with our colleagues from the EACC.
But I think
Senator
in future they have to break it down, because it is illegal for them to put a blanket whatever.